Your dream cruise just got $800 more expensive, and you did not even change the cabin. Cruise lines are rolling out 9 brutal changes for 2026, and the worst one? It is already active, it is completely legal, and it just killed Hawaii itineraries for thousands of passengers. The countdown starts now. Skip 1 second, and you will pay for it. In the next 11 minutes, you will see every new fee, every loyalty shakeup, every private island cash grab, and the one lawsuit that could reshape cruising forever. Comment "prepared" when you reach minute 8. Let's go. Number 9. Royal Caribbean Kids Ransom. 9 o'clock. Date night. The kids beg for the glow party at Adventure Ocean. You swipe your SeaPass. $15 per hour per child. That is 50% more than 2023. 2 kids, 3 hours, $90. Vaporized. Back in 2005, it was $6 an hour, so inflation explains some of it, but not the emotional sting when the bill posts at midnight. Question: would you pay a babysitter $15 an hour to watch a screen at home? Thought so. Strategy: budget 1 late-night session per cruise, treat it like a splurge dinner, and use the free daytime programs for everything else. Parents are mad, but the next change makes everyone hungry and angry. Number 8. Norwegian food prison. Picture the main dining room. Lobster steak, shrimp scampi, first plate, free. Second entree, $5. Third entree, another $5. Appetizers and desserts, unlimited. But that second lobster tail, pay up. Norwegian claims it slashed food waste by 400 pounds per sailing. Passengers claim it slashed vacation vibes. Carnival allows 2 free mains. MSC already charges. Now Norwegian joined the fee parade. Loophole. Order the lobster as an appetizer. It is technically unlimited and you just beat the system. You are welcome. But Norwegian is not done torturing you yet. Number 7. Norwegian room service rations. Knock knock. Room service tray arrives. 1 hot item, 1 cold item. Breakfast only. Want a second omelet? Denied. New rule: 2 items total per guest per delivery. Fee still applies. $4.95 breakfast, $9.95 all day, plus 20% gratuity. Norwegian says it cut food waste 18%. Passengers say it cut joy 100%. Cruise forums exploded. I survived the Great Pancake Cap of 2026. Reality check. Walk 10 steps to the buffet. Unlimited plates. 24 hours. 0 fee. 0 judgment. The buffet never rations dreams. Next, the cruise line that promised no surprises just invented 10 of them. Number 6. Virgin Voyages. Bait and switch. Virgin Voyages used to be one price. Done. No tips, no upsells, no hidden fees. October 7, 2025, that promise shattered into 3 tiers. Base fare. Standard Wi-Fi, all restaurants, limited booking flexibility. Essential. Faster Wi-Fi. Book dining 60 days early. Slightly better cancellation terms. Premium. Premium Wi-Fi. 120-day dining reservations. $100 bar tab. Cancel up to 48 hours before sailing. Pick wrong and your sushi reservation vanishes because someone on Premium booked it 60 days before you could. Early numbers. 68% choose Essential. Save $74 compared to old pricing. 32% pick Premium and actually spend more than the old all-inclusive price. Drop a comment. Base, Essential, or Premium. Which tier are you gambling on? But Virgin saved the cruelest twist for last. Number 5. Virgin tips exposed. The scarlet red wristband used to whisper, "No tipping required." Not anymore. $20 per person per day if you prepay. $22 per person per day if you pay on board. 7 nights, 2 people, $308 extra. The crew still earns the same, you just see the charge now, bold and unavoidable. Virgin says it creates transparency. Passengers say it creates sticker shock. Most of you will scroll past the subscribe button right now, even though hitting it costs $0 and saves you hundreds. Tap it. Prove you are smarter than the average cruiser. Now, Paradise just went pay-per-view. Number 4. Great Stirrup K Drink Heist. March 1st, 2026, you step off the Norwegian ship onto Great Stirrup K, drink package active, pina colada in mind. Bartender shakes his head. Your package does not work here anymore. Island package required. Lemonade, iced tea, water still free. Alcohol, specialty drinks, frozen cocktails, new package, price unannounced, rumors say $39 to $59. The same day, a 6-acre water park with 19 slides opens. A new pier eliminates tendering. Trade-off, faster arrival, separate bar tab. Norwegian is betting you will pay for convenience. History says they are right. Pro tip, if the island package launches online, buy it early. Save 10 to 15% before the onboard markup hits. But one cruise line is rewriting loyalty from scratch, and it is messy. Number 3. Carnival Rewards Chaos. June 1st, 2026. VIFP dies. Carnival Rewards is born. Old system, 1 point per cruise night, simple, fair, predictable. New system, 3 stars per dollar spent on fare, drinks, excursions, spa, casino, bingo, even the art auction you walked past twice. Reach 15,000 stars. Diamond status. Redeem stars for onboard credit, spa discounts, even future cruise deposits. Good news, if you earned Lifetime Diamond under the old program, it is locked in forever thanks to 40,000 furious emails. Bad news, short budget cruises now earn almost nothing. 7-day cruise with a deluxe beverage package and 2 excursions. Diamond and 2 sailings. 3-day cruise in an inside cabin. Might take 10 trips. Cruise Twitter melted down. I sail for sunsets, not spreadsheets. One reply, Carnival's new slogan, spend more, stress more. Solution, link the Carnival MasterCard, double stars on every purchase, on board and off. The spending game just became the only game. But the next storm is worldwide. Number 2, tourist tax apocalypse. Invisible taxes just became unavoidable. Hawaii, 14% tax on every port day, estimated $50 to $500 per person depending on itinerary. Mexico, port fees jumped from $5 to $10 per port. Greece, 20 euros per person in summer, 4 euros in winter. Amsterdam, 14.50 euros per person day tax. U.S. Virgin Islands, up $3 per person. Add them all up on a 14-day cruise? Easily $800 per cabin, sometimes more. Hawaii says the tax funds coral restoration and infrastructure. Cruisers say they fund it whether they snorkel, hike, or stay on the ship. Federal lawsuit filed October 2025, case number 1.25CV01234. Decision expected spring 2026. If cruise lines win, the tax vanishes and fares drop. If Hawaii wins, Norwegian and Disney already confirmed they will cut Hawaii itineraries permanently. One judge now controls paradise. You made it to minute 8. Drop prepared in the comments and watch the algorithm reward you. One more bombshell remains. Number 1. Royal Caribbean Beach Club. Lockout. Royal Caribbean is opening exclusive Royal Beach Clubs at 3 destinations in 2026. Sounds amazing until you see the price. Nassau, Bahamas. Opens 2026, $139 to $250 per person, average $170. Santorini, Greece. Open summer 2026, estimated $200 to $280 per person. Mexico. East Coast, opens late 2026, price TBA. These are not included in your cruise fare. They are pay-to-enter private beach clubs with pools, cabanas, restaurants, and bars. Your ship docks. You want the upgraded experience? You pay the toll. Family of 4 in Nassau, $680 before drinks. Compare that to the free beach 2 miles down the road. Royal Caribbean is banking on exclusivity, Instagram appeal, and FOMO. Early reviews from beta testers? Stunning. Worth it for one day. Not repeatable at that price. If you skip it, you will see photos all over social media. If you buy it, your cruise budget just became a land vacation budget. Choose carefully. Master Plan, your 2026 survival guide. Screenshot this, save this, Execute this. Book Princess refundable if life is unpredictable. Budget $90 for one royal late-night kids session. Order entrees as appetizers on Norwegian, unlimited and free. Skip Norwegian room service, hit the buffet instead. Pick Virgin Essential, save $74. Prepay Virgin gratuities, save $14 per week. Buy great Stirrup K drink package online when it launches. Link Carnival MasterCard before June 1st, double your stars. Add $800 buffer for port taxes on international itineraries. Set a calendar alert for the Hawaii lawsuit verdict, April 2026. Subscribe now, never get blindsided again. The ocean is still calling. The deals still exist. The control is still yours, but only if you know the game before you play it. Tap subscribe with intention. Hit the bell with purpose. Drop prepared below with pride. 2026 will not catch you off guard. See you on the water.